Hi, Daniel Parsons. Welcome back. I have a short video today about the Yoli Enzymes product. And this is a powerful product that I've been using and noticing a difference in my gut health and my helping my body with the ability to break down the proteins, carbohydrates, and fats that your body needs for sustenance every day. And so I'm on the website Yoli, which is spelled YOLI.com, and then / Parsons, Parsons. And it's just like it says here, welcome to the Daniel Parsons experience. And then once you get to that URL, yoli.com / Parsons, there's a products button over here on the left-hand side. And so I've selected the enzyme product. So I just want to share with you a little bit, and then I'm going to do a live demo of it breaking down some chocolate pudding. So this is fascinating to be able to do this for you and give you results. So Yoli is a Utah, Salt Lake City specifically based wellness company established in 2009. So they have a long track record and they have many tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of satisfied customers. And so it's our goal to help people improve their health and their wellness. So digestive support enzymes are essential to gut health. Make sure you are getting enough of them to help your digestive system function properly. The Yoli enzyme capsules are specially formulated to enhance digestive efficacy. Our full spectrum formula includes two proprietary blends, Protizorb and Yoltizorb. Protizorb helps break down extra protein, including the protein provided by our better body system. Utilizorb helps take care of everything else, so you get the most out of your healthy diet. And we at Yoli have guides, the 28-day Better Body System challenges. We just started that in early January. I'm making this video on the 15th of January, 2023. And so you can get this if you just wanted one canister of this, it's $38.97. If you want it over and over and over again, you get a discount at $35.47. And I'll show you the label here in just a second. And you're getting 60 veggie capsules, and the directions are to take one capsule before your heaviest two meals of the day. So you've got a 30-day supply for that price. So break it down, promotes digestive efficiency, breaks down protein, carbohydrates, sugars, and fats, helps maintain a healthy digestive tract. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So here is the label, and you can see I just told you about how many servings there are, and then that's the amount, and then it lists the other ingredients also. And so the finest ingredients handled with care: Protizor blend, protease, bromelain, papain, Ultizor blend, lactase, amylase, glucoamylase, alpha galactosidase, lipase, peptidase, and vertase. And so Yoli helps you feel what it's like to really live, experience a lifestyle aligned with nature, come to life. And so that being said, there we go. And let's go off of screen share and let me show you. Here is the bottle of the enzyme, and I've saved one back. I have this, it's a chocolate pudding, and it's individual, not for sale. And it's sealed right there. You can see that it's sealed. It obviously would be spilling all over my brand new laptop if I didn't have it sealed. So there we go. We have opened it up. Okay. I'm just going to take this little spoon that I pulled out of our kitchen drawer, and the chocolate pudding is very thick. So let me see if I can show that right there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is right now, I am going to open up the Yoli enzyme. Okay. There is one of the Yoli enzyme. And I'm just going to open up the capsule. Let me get it to where you can see what I'm doing here. Back away from the camera. So there we go. I'm just going to put all of the powder down into that chocolate pudding. Okay. Trying to get the capsule back together, but let me just set it in my hand right there, and you can see that the capsule is no powder. Now I'm just going to stir this just a little bit, and I'm going to pause the video, and we're going to come back in 5 minutes. Hi, Daniel Parsons, and welcome back. I apologize about that. I have a very sensitive laptop, and I hit start the recording again. But anyway, to recap, I've got the Yoli enzyme product right here, and you see that that veggie capsule, I emptied it into this container of chocolate pudding. And it wasn't 2 minutes, and it was already starting to turn soupy, but I decided to wait a full 5 to 7 minutes. Now, you remember how thick that was? Now, look at this now. It's like water. Look at that dripping. Let me get it a little bit closer. I'm trying to be careful because we just washed our tablecloth. You can see clearly there, it's like water. You can see in the container how it's moving around like water. You see that right there? That's pretty solid evidence that these enzymes are powerful, because chocolate pudding obviously has probably got some milk fat and some proteins in there, probably some carbohydrate. So look at that. Isn't that amazing? So the Yoli products are wonderful. I'm here as a certified Yoli wellness coach to help you achieve wellness in 2023 and for the rest of your life. You'll never have to go on another diet the rest of your life with Yoli, because they are the BLP company, belonging, love, and purpose. And so find out more at that website I told you about earlier, yoli.com/Parsons. We are open for customers Australia, Canada, USA, and let's don't forget the Philippines. Have a very strong client base in the Philippines and also in those other countries. If you're interested in the business side of Yoli, you can earn referral commission for it's a direct sales company, and that is open in Philippines, Canada, and USA. The business side of Yoli is not open in Australia. So that's it for this update. God bless you, and I hope you have a very healthy 2023. Bye for now.